Routine maintenance may not be the most exciting video topic, but stop. We're talking brakes on this Tech Tip Tuesday. Your brakes may be the most important safety system of your vehicle, which is why brake maintenance should be at the top of your list. But often we concern ourselves with brake pads and rotors and forget about the hydraulic system that puts you in control. When you step on the brake pedal, brake fluid is pressurized, which in turn causes your brake pads to clamp onto the rotors and slow your car. It's supposed to happen instantly, so if there's any delay or abnormal feeling to your brake pedal, the fluid is the first thing that should be checked. Over time, brake fluid can be contaminated by water, which can make brake lines rust. Leaks can also be formed, leading to irregular brake performance. So it is something that should be monitored regularly. Checking your brake fluid is as simple as looking at its level and color, which should be translucent. If it is cloudy or dark so you cannot see through it, it needs to be replaced. At Ryan Honda of Minot, we'll check your brake fluid with every multi-point vehicle inspection. Next week, we'll talk a little bit more about the brake assembly itself. But if today's tip has you feeling like your brake fluid is an issue, we'd love to help. Give us a call here at Ryan Honda of Minot or schedule your vehicle online at ryanhondaofminot.com.